Okay, let me hurry up and quickly record this. So, yes. Oh, shit. Okay, so yes, this is my lace front wig. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold this thing because I'm tired of this thing stopping on me all the time. This is better lighting anyway. I can see myself in my mirror. So, yeah, so how do I even start? Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So I got rid of that camera stand because I am so tired of fucking with it all the time. Like, that thing is so annoying. But anyway, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani. Thank you for watching this video, and this video is gonna be about how to put on a wig. Okay, I'm just trying to like look at myself, like, because my camera doesn't have like a flip thing, so I'm like holding my phone to make sure that we are in focus. Okay, I think it's good enough. But anyway, today this video is how to put on a wig. The basics of putting on a wig. This is going to be like, it's not going to be one of those videos where they show you how to cut the cap and glue it down so it stays on for 2 months or whatever. No, this is just like I need to quickly put this thing on so I can go. So this is what this kind of video is. Today, the wig that I'm using, which I have on right now, is ignore myself in the background because I just made snickerdoodles for the first time and they came out really good. Okay, anyway, this is the wig. This is the wig on my head. This is the box that the wig came in. It's by this company called Allure Bliss Wig, 100% premium human hair. So this is what the box looks like. It's just a black box with the name on it, and then when you open it, it does, you know, the wig comes right in here. It would be in this plastic, and it comes with its wig cap. I already have like 3 other wig caps, so I just used my own with the little netting that the hair comes wrapped in. And it also comes with a, okay.
Look at what?
Is it looking at me?
Turn around.
I am. Is it looking at me?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good on me?
It's not showing your head, it's showing your face.
Okay. What about now? You'll never see me look like this again. But so you want to make sure you comb it out really good. Make sure you get all the knots. And this is a free part wig, so you can part it any way you want and it'll still look very natural. It's very natural looking. I didn't pay for this. So my friend, funny story, my friend Tessa, she actually moved into this home not too far from me, and when she moved in, brand new, you know, everything, the previous owners left this wig in the box. I still have the box. It wasn't even open because the sealant wasn't even broken on the plastic to hold the wig intact or whatever, and then it wasn't even open for the box at all. So I just like opened it, and when I tell you this was a brand new, like, it wasn't even worn or anything. Like, the lace was still all the way, like that long piece of lace that you usually get with any type of wig or lace front or anything. It was so long, like it wasn't even cut or anything. So I was like, I'll have it, shoot, for free. This is a nice wig. And I looked it up, and this wig actually goes for $130 or something like that. But this company really does produce really nice wigs. The wig on, I'm going to show you how to put it on, and then I'm going to glue it down, and then I'm going to flat iron it so that it looks better. So to show you how to style it and everything, basically. Okay, put this mirror baby here. First, I'm just going to put on my wig cap. As you saw, my mom kind of just braided my hair down. It looked kind of nice, so I'm not going to lie. But it doesn't have to be like neat or anything. Just make sure it's like flat down, like good on here. It's not gonna come apart or anything. And then I just put my wig cap on. I usually get something that's close to like my scalp color or a little bit lighter than my skin tone, because if you get a black wig cap or a white wig cap, it's gonna look weird when you part your wig. So it doesn't matter how you put it on. I just put mine on like this. And then I put the little braids, the loose ends underneath it. Make sure all my hair is under here. I'm not going to cut or glue anything this part down. I'm not doing that because I'm going to take this off tomorrow or tonight. I'm not going to, this is not a video where I'm going to show you how to make a wig stay all week long or whatever. This is just oh, I need to hurry up and go, throw my wig on real quick video. Let me brush it one more time. So in this wig cap, in the wig cap part, it actually has clips here where you can, when you put it on, it'll just grab onto the braid to stay in place. So it's got two right here, and it's got one here, so it'll be in the middle so that that baby don't move for sure. And then it's under, it got one in the back, and then it also has like these little straps here for if you want it to be like nice and snug on there. Oh, this one came off. I usually just have it on the little second band here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm just gonna pull it like that. There you go. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. So the way I do it, I try to get all the hair from out these little comb clip things, and then bring it around. I put the front clips on first. Let me bring that a little bit back here. And you gotta make sure that they're on each side of your head, because then it's like on your head good. I don't usually put the middle part on. And then I just make sure I clip the one in the back down. It looks crazy now, but you see like how, I don't know if you can see, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in. Oh fuck. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys, like, try to focus. But see, I cut the lace front like really short on my head, but so it fits my actual natural hairline, so it looks very natural. I mean, obviously right now it doesn't look natural because I need to comb it and then style it. Where did that comb go? Where did that comb go? Oh, I'm looking in my mirror right here. Just comb it down. I like to comb it forward. I look like the girl from The Ring. Like, I don't know if y'all seen that movie. And bring it back. I look like I have one of them bump it things on. But I don't think I'm gonna glue it down yet. Or actually it should. But yeah, I'll just glue it down, you know, whatever, you know. But the glue I'm gonna use is the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. I love this one. I think this really works. I don't like the little glue, like the little container one you squeeze out and you that don't but I'm just gonna flip this over a little bit, right? Because this is all that's gonna be glued down. And then I'm gonna take my freeze spray, shake it, and then you don't want to go like up here because then it's not gonna work. You want to spray it like a little bit far back, but make sure you don't get it on the hair. I definitely got it all on my finger. And then I just like fan it down a little bit. Flip this bitch over. Hold that bitch down. And then I'm gonna get my little headband and I'm gonna put it on here so that it stays in place. So I'll be okay. So this is my millionth time recording this. Let me record it straight. Yeah, that's good. So I just put concealer in my little just a little bit of concealer, not too much, where I want my part to be at so it looks even more natural. I mean, I'm not perfect with this stuff, and I'm not saying I'm an expert either. This is just what I've taught myself to do. This is how I learned to do it on my own. I didn't have anyone else to show me either, for real. So I just wanted everyone, like, if you're clicking on this video and you're seeing, and you want to know how to just throw it on real quick with, like, no, like, gluing of the cap and cutting it and all this, that, and the other, this is, like, the perfect video to watch. It only takes literally no more than 5 minutes to just put on this wig, I comb it out before I put it on, and then put it on, and then comb it out again, part it, put the concealer on where you want your part to be at, and then you're good to go. That's it. You don't gotta do nothing else. That's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more how-to videos, just leave a comment in the comment section and like this video, share it, and please subscribe to my channel.